Good morning, guys. It's your boy Clinton again, and today we are beginning the day like this. Come closer and show them. So, guys, today we are going to spray our cows because here in the village, this is like our daily morning routine. And first, you can see over here I have a knapsack spray. You can even show them inside. Yeah, that's the knapsack spray. And then we have this sieve. This one is going to prevent maybe soil particles and even sand particles from entering the knapsack sprayer. And it has got a lot of it might bring you challenges when you are spraying and you have some particles inside the knapsack sprayer because it will block the pipe. The trigger here, they'll be blocked. Yeah. So that is how we do it, guys, here in the village. Today I want to show you how we spray our cows. As you can show them, you can even take them there. They can see the cows the way they are. Guys, this is 20 liter, I think 20 liter knapsack sprayer. Even it's written here. Have you seen it? By the side, you can show them. Today my brother is my cameraman. You can see here, this is a 20 liter. But it's around, this is around 16, 17 there. But it will be enough for our cows. So after that, guys, we are going to add, this is an acaricide. Yeah, that's how it looks like. We're going to add that one. So let me open. Throw the box that side. That is how it's packaged. Yeah, it is well packaged, guys. So after that, I'm supposed to remove this. I think we are going to add how many of this? I think 1.5. Because if we add a lot, it is going to be the concentration is going to be very, very high, and it's not good sometimes for cows. So guys, here is our acaricide. That is how it looks like. And then we're going to add here. I don't know even if it's 20 ml or 10 ml, but I think it's around 20 ml. This one is enough. That's how the solution looks like. And you're now going to do like you stir, yeah? You're going to do like you're stirring. This man. Wow. Can you show them the solution now? It is well concentrated. Yeah. So we're going to close this one because there are some acaricide which are remain here. So guys, we usually do this to basically control pests, and these pests include the ticks, and we have a variety of ticks which maybe might affect our livestock or our cows, and even sheep. But I think they're also affected by the ticks. Sheep, yeah, all animals. So you close it like that. So here in the village, you usually use a knapsack sprayer because nowadays people don't have like what can I call them? The dip, where you go and dip your cows. So guys, we are here now, and we have started to spray our cows. That is how we usually do it. So what we are using here is called, this structure here is called cattle crush. Yeah. And you see it's very big and it has accommodated all the cows inside there. It is very big. And actually it is very easy to construct because you only need wood, nails and things like that. Only wood and nails and you're good to go. Come on. Wait. So guys, this is how we do it here in the village. You just use an knapsack sprayer and your cows are good to go. So they usually say you spray along the loin, yeah, the back, like this. The lower side of the body, because that's where the ticks usually hide. Even inside by the side of their ears. Yeah. Alright. And also some of you might ask maybe why the cows have got the bell. Maybe the comment box down below if you know, you can let us know. But the main reason for having a bell is to basically trace your animals wherever they are grazing, maybe in a larger piece of land or a large tract of land, maybe in the wide areas where we have maybe vegetation. You can easily hear where the sound of the bell comes from and you go for your cows. Yeah, that is the reason for having a bell, to simply locate your animals wherever you are grazing. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Guys, this is a real village life. These are the struggles here in the village. I don't know how you do it in your village, guys. You have to spray also under their belly, the lower side of the body. Apart from spraying on the loin, at the back, you also go to the lower side of the body of the animal and spray. That's how we do it. So this way, we say goodbye to ticks. Actually, come close and show them. Inaweza fika hapo hivi. Guys, you can see here we have a tick. This one. This is a tick here, and it's meeting with the enemy. Yeah. Okay. You can also come and show them from the front side. Yeah, like that. That's how we do it, guys. So this is what we call livestock farming. Guys, what do you people call this? Yeah, method of farming, where you rear your animals and you also take good care of them as well, and also you do farming of other crops in the farm. Yeah, we may call this one is livestock farming. Come on. One step at a time. You can see there are some ticks also. You can see here. There's another one here. But they are now getting their medication. They're meeting life one-on-one with the enemy. Okay, let me come to the other side. So guys, now we are done spraying the animals. Now I want to release them to go outside. Oh, come on, let's go. Now this is how they look like, guys, after they have been sprayed. Yeah. So guys, that's how we usually carry out our village morning routine in the village. Spraying cows. And now I want to go to our napier grass farm and try to see if I can collect some napier grass for the cows, guys. Yeah. So they're going to stay here for some, I think, maybe 1 hour. And then we are going to give them some muck to lick, and then we are going to release them now to go to the grazing field. So here we have a simple gate. Look at that. And then you tie it like this. I don't even know if you guys can see that. You can see now they're just enjoying they're getting some sun. Yeah. So guys, I want now to go and see if I can collect some napier grass for the cows there. So let's go. Wow, it's a beautiful morning, guys, here in the village. It's actually sunny. I don't know if you can see that. It's sunny over there. It's a beautiful morning. And here we have a calf. Come on. Okay. I don't know why it's running away. Wow. Guys, this is living rural here in Kenya. Look at the view. The village is so green. It is so beautiful. We have some nice trees here. This is actually a palm tree. But this one is like the one which is indigenous. I don't know if you can listen to the sound of birds. You can see there's some birds here making a nest. Yeah. Now I want to go to the farm, and I want to go with you guys, collect some napier grass for the cows, and then we're going to see how the day will go. Yeah. Kuzo, niko kwa YouTube, nataka kusalimia watu asubuhi. Nataka kuwasalimia. Guys, that is my cousin there. He's cleaning. Si umetoka kwa shamba? He's from the farm now. And he's now about to go and look after the cows. Sasa nataka nikimbia kwa juu kwa shamba, nikate nyasi kidogo. Hapa juu tu. Sawa sawa. Brian, acha tunaenda na Brian. Okay. It's cool. So guys, here I have a panga, and that is what I'm going to use to collect the napier grass, guys. So let's go. Waking up in the morning, spray your cows, go to the napier grass farm, collect some napier grass for them. Nice bananas. Yeah. And that is it, guys. That is life here in the village. Life is just as you have seen. I know most of you maybe, or some of you maybe might prefer village life, because what you need, all you need is, for example, in your house, you don't need to buy everything. You only need to buy like cooking oil. You need to buy like salt, sugar. But when it comes to maize flour, you have your farm to grow your corn. You have your bananas in the farm, finger millet growing, kales, cabbages, and things like that. Guys, I just showed you this farm in our last previous videos. It is super good. Yeah. So guys, let me try to collect some napier grass here for the cows, and I'm gonna see you after I'm done. Let's do this, guys. So guys, we are trying to collect the napier grass now, and we usually use a panga in this case to collect them, or a machete. So guys, in the comment box down below, let me know, please, if you prefer to live in the village or to live in town. Yeah, for me, honestly, I am a village boy, and I will always prefer to live in the village. Yeah, that is my honest opinion. Here we also have some weeds. When napier grass grows to this height, you're likely to see a lot of other vegetation growing underneath. Yeah, come closer. Done collecting our napier grass here in the farm. We are now going to leave them here for some time. They get the sun, and then we are going to chop it into smaller pieces, and we are going to feed it to our animals. Yes, guys, that is how they look like. That is it. And here I don't need to forget my tool, which I usually use to collect the napier grass. So guys, now we are done, and that is how everything looks like now. They need to get some sun because they contain a lot of water, especially now. It's early in the morning. There's a lot of dew on the grass. Yeah, that is it now, guys. So here I have my tool, I have my panga here, and now it's time to go back home, guys. So after some hours, we are going to feed the napier grass to our cows. That is how our day usually begin here in the village. And maybe if you have just subscribed to our YouTube channel, let me know what you think about our today's video. And also, let me know how you guys practice village morning routine in your specific villages, because we live in different parts of the world. And also, we have different cultures and things like that, which makes us live kind of different lifestyle. Yeah, because there are some people out there maybe who use machine in everything that they usually do. But us here in the village, to be specific here in Kenya, and in many villages, people use simple tools. They're not like into machines and things like that, but they embrace life the way it is. Yeah. Okay. I have to show you where I passed through even early. This kind of gate. Oh, mandama. Tunaweza tengeneza kidogo. Aya. Okay guys, now I think I should end my video from here, because this was my brief village morning routine. For me, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider to do subscribe. And give the video a like. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And very soon, we shall be there, guys. And from this beautiful village of Olmelil, I'd just like to say bye-bye. And for me, I hope to see you in our next video. Coming soon, guys. Ciao.